Hello, it's Melissa with Restoration Sales Machine, and today I'm going to be talking about how you can get leads online for free using search engine optimization, or SEO. Solid SEO, search engine optimization. What is it and how does it drive sales? Well, first, let's define what is SEO. It's the foundation of being found online. Its target market search terms match the content on your website. There are two things that people are actually searching for online, and it might be brand specific and it might be service specific. So let's dive in a little bit deeper and I will explain what that means. Brand specific. This is when someone uses a search term like your company name, for example, ServPro, Cotton Restoration, or your company name. Google will utilize GPS technology and provide the target market searcher with the closest known brand listing. So for example here, if I am in this area of Houston known as Kingwood, and I search for ServPro, it's going to pull up the closest ServPro in my area. Plus, it's going to give me additional ServPro listings. You'll notice that there's no other companies listed in these search engine results because I searched specifically for a brand. I searched for ServPro. Now, some clients do have that brand recognition and they're looking for a specific brand, but more times than not, they're searching for service-specific search terms. This is where the target market is searching for a solution to their specific problem. Google is going to provide the best results based on search engine optimization, or SEO. So for example, some search terms for services might be water damage, restoration, or mold removal. So you can see in the photo here, when I searched Houston for water damage, it brought up a bunch of different companies. We have everything from Bionic, ServPro, Paul Davis, and Rainbow. So let's focus in on service-specific search terms. SEO is the process of Google matching search terms with your website's written content. The more frequent search terms appear in your website, the higher you rank in Google. So this is a real screenshot of a Google search that I did, and I searched for mold cleanup. Then I went in and I highlighted in red here for you where you can actually see where Google is picking up these terms on the website. So our first listing is a CDC, mold, cleanup mold. Then ServPro Town and Country, mold damage cleanup. ServPro.com, mold cleanup. HGTV, mold, and then later on, cleaning. And then in the EHS was mold cleanup. So when we are thinking about how to increase traffic to our website, what we have to remember is that Google is a robot. It is not human. So we have to put the information on our website in written words that's going to best give Google's robot the indicator that we are a best match for the searcher. And that leads me to algorithms. So what is an algorithm? It's a sequence of questions a robot computes to determine if you may be interested. So if you are the searcher and you type in mold cleanup, the algorithm or the robot for Google is going to determine what best fits your interests. That's going to come from written words like I just showed you. Also geography. So if I'm searching in Houston, more than likely websites that are also based in Houston will populate first, and then websites based in other areas of the country will populate under the Houston website. Other things also go into the algorithm, like the frequency in which you update your website. How often are you publishing new content? Do you have a blog? What type of contact information is available? How many photos do you have? And your overall website traffic. So yes, the strong do survive. The more traffic that you have on your website, the higher you will rank in Google. Here's another example where I Googled suicide home cleanup. Now, I found Aftermath which does biohazard cleanup here in Houston, is doing an excellent job. Of the top 5 results that came out of Google, they were the top 4, which is very impressive. And this is how they did it. They have pages on their website that speak directly to what I searched for: suicide home cleanup. They not only speak to it, they write often and have several articles with the same information. So, how to clean up after suicide. Need cleanup services after suicide, homicide, and suicide cleanup aftermath services. 5 guidelines to handling suicide cleanup. So, they are being very consistent in putting out information that speaks directly to their target market. So, what is your target market actually searching for? Are they searching for you as a brand, or are they searching for a service and they have yet to discover you as a brand? Your website copy, that's the written words. Those are the articles and the descriptions, the services, and the information that you provide in written word on your website. It needs to equal what your target market is actually searching for. So our goals here at Restoration Sales Machine is to help you increase your monthly website traffic, convert website traffic into known content, and nurture contacts to qualify and deliver them to sales reps for in-person meetings. Hope you enjoyed this and happy selling.